In this video, we listed the 5 best scroll saws that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. WEN LL2156 Scroll Saw. The WEN Black and Orange Scroll Saw is designed for precision woodworking, featuring a robust parallel arm design and heavy-duty steel construction to minimize vibration and noise. With a spacious 25 5/8 by 16-inch steel table, it allows for bevel cuts of up to 45 degrees to the left and 30 degrees to the right. The saw includes dual side panels for tool-free blade changes and an upper arm that locks in a raised position, facilitating easy interior cuts and adjustments to the workpiece. Powered by a variable speed 1.6 amp motor, it comes equipped with a flexible air pump, 2 5-inch pinless blades, a tension release lever, a 1 to 1/2 inch dust port, and an adjustable material hold-down clamp. The saw has a stroke length of 3/4 inch and is backed by a 2-year warranty, making it a reliable choice for both hobbyists and professionals. Number 2. DEWALT Scroll Saw. The DEWALT Scroll Saw is engineered for precision and ease of use, featuring a distinctive double parallel link arm design that minimizes vibration and noise, ensuring highly accurate cuts. Its user-friendly design includes exclusive tool-free blade clamps for quick blade changes, an intuitive on-off switch, electronic variable speed control, a flexible dust blower, and a blade tensioning lever conveniently located on the upper front arm. The saw's innovative arm design allows for smooth and quiet operation by pivoting from the back to the front, effectively shortening the arm movement. Additionally, the arm can be lifted to facilitate easy threading of the blade through materials, making it ideal for intricate inside cuts on wood. Number 3. JET 18-inch Scroll Saw. The JET white corded electric jigsaw is a versatile and powerful tool designed for woodworking, featuring a variable speed range of 400 to 1,550 strokes per minute to accommodate various cutting tasks. Its arm tilts 45 degrees to the right and 30 degrees to the left, allowing for intricate cuts, and can achieve a full 45-degree tilt with the removal of the dust port. The jigsaw includes a removable 2.5 dust port that effectively collects dust at the source for a cleaner workspace. Built with a large 11 5/8 inches by 21 inches, 1/4-inch, thick steel table, it minimizes vibration and provides a stable surface for precision cutting. The exclusive 2-in-1 upper blade change mechanism simplifies the process by simultaneously clamping and tensioning the blade, while the slotted table design facilitates quicker blade changes. Additionally, the top lift, spring-loaded arm can raise up to 10 inches and remains elevated until manually lowered, enhancing user convenience during operation. Number 4. BUCKTOOL Scroll Saw. The BUCKTOOL 2022 model scroll saw is designed for versatility and user convenience, featuring several enhancements including a larger steel worktable, an updated blade holder, a user-friendly changing knob, and a cast aluminum tension knob. Powered by a quiet yet powerful 1.2 amp DC motor, it offers variable speeds up to 1600 RPM for high performance. The spacious 18.2 by 11.5 inch iron worktable tilts up to 45 degrees for angled cuts, with a cutting depth of 2 inches and a throat depth of 16 inches. This model is equipped with a vibration-free LED light for optimal visibility, and a portable foot pedal for hands-free operation, allowing for easy starts and stops during use. Additionally, its quick-change blade system with a unique spring blade holder design simplifies blade replacement, making it an efficient tool for woodworking enthusiasts. Number 5. WEN Variable Speed Scroll Saw. The WEN band saw is a versatile and powerful tool designed for woodworking, featuring a sleek black design and a robust iron blade material. It operates on a corded electric power source and boasts variable speed settings ranging from 550 to 1600 strokes per minute, allowing for precision cuts. The spacious 16 by 10-inch table can be beveled up to 45 degrees, facilitating angled cuts, while the bandsaw accommodates wood up to 2 inches thick, with a throat depth of 16 inches. Notable features include a unique side panel for easy blade changes, a thumb screw adapter for tool-free adjustments, a cast iron base for stability, an integrated air pump, a dust port for cleanliness, a foot lock clamp for secure operation, and 3 included 5-inch blades. This makes the WEN band saw an ideal choice for both amateur and professional woodworkers seeking reliability and convenience in their projects.